It's been a while since I picked up a Coach shoe or any designer shoe for that matter. Well, for anybody who's watching this, for the 15 people that probably tuned in because you're all big Coach fans, if you're looking for a Coach shoe, go to the outlet, or if you have a Coach store near you, just go in and try them on, because out of all the pairs I have of Coach, every shoe is a different size because you just have to try them on. It's unless you getting the same silhouette in a different color online, don't even waste your time, man. Just go ahead and try them on to make sure, because they fit so crazy. Like this particular model, the 12 was a little big, but then I tried the 11 and a half on, and it's like there's no way that I could be in that shoe for more than like an hour. So I just went with the 12, figure it out. Got these for decent price. If you know about anything about Coach shoes, you know how they're priced or whatever. But I only get them from the outlet because I'm not paying that money for a Coach shoe. When I can go to the outlet and get them for $90 off. So yeah, the model is Signature Mid Top. So they usually have like better names than this, but Signature Mid Top. If you're looking for this shoe, it's a Signature Mid Top. You get the all black Coach box, saying nothing crazy. I like their packaging. The boxes are sturdy in my opinion, but I know we don't wear the box, so who cares? Get into the kicks, man. I know a lot of people in the sneaker community, they're like sneakerheads through and through, and they are like fully against designer shoes, and I am not mad at you at all. But me personally, I like to be able to adapt to my surroundings. I like to be versatile. Like, there are definitely situations that you'll find yourself in, or like fits you want to put on that a sneaker, like a casual sneaker or like an athletic sneaker, it's not the move, man. Oh, okay. What? I did not notice this. Let's get into that during the review. But here we go, the black and white Signature Mid Top or whatever. That's like the craziest name ever. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. You get that nice Coach leather. If you know about anything about Coach, man, you know the leather is top notch. So you get the flat black leather. You get that white midsole going all the way. Well, I guess kind of sail. You get a sail midsole with the black upper. You get the Coach embroidery right here. I'm not sure what the print is called. I guess it's the signature print. But it's kind of like a gray, like a charcoal gray black mix. Then you get the new Coach logo. You get that C on the side. So it's kind of like a rubbery C. And then on the back of that, it is another rubber piece. I don't know, some kind of textured rubber piece. I'm not mad at that, to be honest. Then you get more of that signature print. I kind of like it. I usually stay away from black shoes, but for some reason, like any designer or casual shoe, like black just, that's my go-to, man. I don't know, like the only time I wear black is if I'm trying to be, casual, semi dressed up, whatever you want to call it. If I'm going with a designer shoe, it's most likely going to be black. So then you also get Coach on the back in that same print as the C, which is kind of dope, man. Not mad at these at all. Then on the heel, you get Coach embossed. But what I was looking at earlier was this like gel heel cup on the actual outsole of the shoe. I did not know that was like a design element, which is kind of crazy. So hopefully they're comfortable. I don't know. I guess it's the only one way to find out, right? Then you also get another Coach logo on the bottom. So I guess they're just rebranding themselves. There's like a million logos. So this is like the OG Coach wagon. I guess that's where the name comes from. If you know, you know. If you didn't know, now you do. As you can see, the wagon. So I guess it's the Coach wagon or whatever they called it back in the day. I don't know. I was born in '92, man. We had cars so I don't know nothing about this horse and carriage wagon, Coach, whatever you want to call it. Then you also get Coach on the insole, white insole with Coach on it. Nothing major, nothing crazy. But yeah, back to sizing. Definitely try these on if you can, if you're interested. I know a lot of people think, you know, Coach is a women's brand, but for the guys, I'm gonna let you know right now, man. Coach definitely looks out for your boys. I'm telling you. I bought uh man, what, a crossbody bag or whatever when I went for Dreamville. Crazy. This is like my fifth or sixth pair of Coach shoes. Crazy. The apparel is kind of crazy too. I just haven't like, you know, crossed over to the apparel side yet. But they have some stuff, man. If you look, definitely if you know this weekend or whenever I post this video, whenever you see it, if you're able to go to your local outlet and they have a Coach store, just pop in there. I'm telling you, you're going to find something that you like. Even if you just get the cologne, the Coach cologne. Yeah. So if you watch this, like I said, the 15 people that's watching this, man, you're welcome. I'm giving y'all some game. Definitely hit the Coach outlet, man. I'm telling you, man, it's not just for women. Trust me. Wallets, belts, bags. You know, like they have briefcase. You get the crossbody Jones. You get the plain black smooth leather. Like they got some stuff in there, man. If you want to venture out, try something different. You want to stand out. Go ahead, go to the Coach outlet, man. Get you something, man, for real. On my Mighty Rich, get you some. Yeah. Then we get this leather patch right here. You know, leather is. I mean, come on, leather and Coach is. You know, it goes hand in hand at this point. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Definitely can't wait to throw these on at some point. I would have preferred black laces. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the white ones in for now. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. You think these will look better with black laces, or should I just rock with the white? Yeah, let me know. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Get your shoes for the low, man. Get them for the low ski.